If you were cleaning or working and your wiper suddenly broke, you are going to need a replacement. In today's video, we are going to share a quick DIY method you can follow to make a strong and effective wiper at home. You only need a few things to follow these DIY instructions, which include a PVC pipe, plastic glue solution, a PVC pipe cutter, a blade, and a T-joint. With just these things, you can make a pipe at home in under 5 minutes. Let's show you how to do this. First of all, you need the rubber part of the wiper that broke. You can easily remove this rubber by using a screwdriver to get rid of the screws holding it in, and then pulling the rubber out towards one side. Now that you have this, you can start making the DIY wiper. Start by grabbing the PVC pipe and cutting it. You can cut the pipe as big or as little as you would like with the help of a PVC pipe cutter. We have cut it quite large according to our needs, but you can make it shorter or even longer if you want. Once the pipe is cut, you need to use the T-joint. Connect it to tone end of the pipe you just cut and make sure that it is placed very firmly. Now you need the blade to cut the T-joint from the top, like we are doing now. Make sure that you try to cut it as cleanly as possible, so that there is an equal gap between the two sides that are cut open. After that's cut, you can set aside the pipe for now. Coming back to the rubber, the next thing you need is to figure out how to fit it into the T-joint you just cut. For that, you will have to use the remainder of the PVC pipe. Set it alongside one end of the rubber and measure the pipe. Cut it according to the size of your rubber so it matches it exactly, and it is easy for the rubber to fit. Since we are done cutting the PVC pipe, the next step is to cut the pipe open from one side, just like we did with the T-joint. Do exactly as we are doing, and completely open up one side so that the rubber can fit inside. Now that it's open, we will show you how to fit the rubber in this pipe. After cutting the pipe, the first thing you need to do is to apply plastic glue solution on its inside. The cap on the solution we are using makes it easy to apply on the inside, but if your solution does not have a cap like this, you can use brushes instead. Once the glue is applied, slide the rubber all the way inside so it fits all the way through the pipe. Now set this aside so that it can dry while you work on other things. While the glue on the rubber dries, you can focus on the other pipe and apply plastic glue solution on it to firmly attach the T-joint. Rub the solution all along the end of your pipe and on the side of the T-joint that you are connecting to the pipe. After applying the glue, join both things together as well as you can so that no amount of pressure makes them fall apart. Put it away and let the solution dry after this. After the plastic glue solution is done drying on both pipes, the final step is to join both of them together. To do this, apply solution on the inside of the T-joint from where you cut it, and across the outside of the PVC from where you will connect it. Now join both of these together and hold them in place for a few moments. Leave it to dry after that, and you will be all done with these DIY wiper instructions. You can see how good we were able to make this wiper with just a few things at home. It is great for use and quite sturdy. Hopefully yours will turn out the same way, and the instructions we shared will help you out. Please subscribe to Hooked On Tool if we were able to help, and if you want more videos like this.